Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna fix the sales report not downloaded issue on Gumroad in 2026. And if your Gumroad sales report won't download, this can block your accounting, tax filing, or performance tracking. So let's fix it by following these few simple steps. Now as you can see here, you're gonna log into your account and go to the sales section. And then here you're gonna find the report. You're gonna click on export and then you're gonna download it as a CSV file. Once you're clicking here, you're gonna download the sales report. Now, if you can't download this sales report, you can try a different browser. First, you're gonna switch browsers and try incognito mode. You can try incognito mode by clicking on three dots here and click on the new private window and click on access the Gumroad website. Make sure to log in there and redo the same situation or the same procedure. You can alternatively open the Brave browser and look for that there. Now, if that, because browser extensions often block file downloads, so make sure to disable all the ad blocks, etc. You can also disable download blockers. Some browsers block automatic downloads, so check the browser settings and click on download and make sure downloads are allowed. Also, antiviruses block download. So make sure to disable them and check the file format compatibility. Sales reports are usually downloaded as a CSV file, like you saw here. This is a CSV file. I'm gonna open it so you can see it. So make sure you have spreadsheet software installed like Microsoft or try opening it manually, and sometimes the file downloads but doesn't open automatically. As you can see here, this is what the sales report would look like. You will see a lot of information here. So let's click on cancel and let's go back here. You can also reduce the data range if you're exporting very large data ranges. The system may take longer or fail. So try smaller data ranges and monthly instead of yearly reports. And also clear the cache and retry. Corrupted cache can interrupt file regeneration. So clear the browser cache and try again. You can do this by clicking on the three dots here. And then click on delete browsing data and click and delete browsing data or cached images files by selecting them here and click on clear now. After you do that, sales reports will download instantly. Now, sales report download issues usually come from browsers restrictions, large data exports, or extensions conflicts. Switch browsers, reduce export range, and ensure downloads are allowed, and it should work smoothly. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.